Welcome to KROHNE Insights.
KROHNE turned 100 years.
Would you also like to enhance your knowledge in the field of process instrumentation?
Do you need to monitor water cooling or heating or water distribution?
Si vous souhaitez savoir plus sur le FlexMec,
KROHNE findet für Ihre Hygieneapplikation immer die passende Lösung.
We wish you an exciting time at KROHNE Insights and look forward to a highly vivid exchange of information.